And tourism bodies have suggested that the total economic cost to the sector as of the 11 February 2020 would be $4.5 billion. Casino earnings are expected to fall. At least two localities in the Australia, Carneros and the Gold Coast, have reported already lost earnings of the more than $600 million. The Australian Tourism Industry Council called on the Government of Australia for financial support, especially in light of the large number of the small businesses affected. Meaning, mining companies are thought to be highly exposed to the outbreak since sales to China constitute 93% of the sales of Fortescue Metals, 55% of the sales of BHP, and 45% of sales of the Rio Tinto. The iron ore shipping gauge dropped 99.9% as a result of the outbreak, and the virus has made shipping and logistic operation and mining companies more complicated. Agriculture is also experiencing negative effects from the outbreak, including the Australian dairy industries, fishing industries, wine producers, and meat producers. On 13 February 2020, Riverbank, which specialists specialize in the agriculture bank, warned that the agricultural sector had 8 weeks for the coronavirus to be contained before the facing of major losses. The education sector is expected to suffer US $5 billion loss, according to an early government estimate. Include costs due to the tuition fee refunds, free deferral of study, realignment of the teaching calendars, and students' accommodation cost, and taxpayer is likely to be required to cover the shortfall in the education budgets. An estimated 100,000 students were not able to enroll at the start of the semester. Nearly two-thirds of the Chinese students were forced to remain overseas due to the visa restriction on travelers from the mainland China. Salvatore Babuns, associate professor at the University of Sydney, stated that the Australia will remain an attractive study destination for Chinese students, but it may take several years for Chinese student numbers to recover. The Australian Football League match between the St Kilda and the Port Adelaide football clubs, which was scheduled to be played on Sunday 31st May at the Zhangwang Stadium in Shanghai, was transferred to Marvel Stadium in the Melbourne due to the concern over the coronavirus pandemic. This match will now be played on 1 week later than planned on Sunday 7 June.